Everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you can't change your screen brightness on Windows 11, the brightness slider is missing, or brightness controls simply aren't working, then keep watching. In this video, I'll show you several quick and easy solutions to fix the problem. Let's get started. Step 1. Change power plan settings. First, open the Start menu and type Control Panel. Open it. Make sure View By is set to large icons. Now click on Power Options. Select the High Performance Power Plan. You can also expand, show additional plans, and make sure no unusual power-saving plan is enabled. Once done, close the window. Step 2. Disable Automatic Brightness. Open the Start menu again and type Settings. Open Settings. Go to System, and then click on Display. At the top, you should see the Brightness section. If you see the option called Change Brightness based on content, set it to off. If you don't see the brightness section at all, that's fine. Continue to the next step. Step 3. Update graphics drivers. Open the Start menu and type Device Manager. Open it. Expand Display Adapters. Now right-click your graphics card and select Update Driver. Click on Search automatically for drivers. If Windows says the best drivers are already installed, close the window. Now right-click your graphics card again and select Update Driver. This time choose Browse my computer for drivers, then click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select your graphics card from the list and click Next. Wait for Windows to reinstall the driver. If you have multiple graphics cards, repeat these steps for all of them. Step 4. Disable and re-enable graphics drivers. Now right-click your graphics card again and select Disable Device. Then right-click it again and select Enable Device. If you have multiple graphics cards, make sure all of them are enabled. Step 5. Reinstall monitor drivers. In Device Manager, expand the Monitor section. Right-click your monitor and select Update Driver. Click Search automatically for drivers. Then right-click the monitor again and select Update Driver. Choose Browse my computer for drivers. Then click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select your monitor and click Next. This will reinstall the monitor driver. Step 6. Run SFC scan. If the brightness issue is still not fixed, open the Start menu and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Now type the following command, sfc/scano. Press Enter. Wait for the scan to reach 100%. This will scan and repair damaged Windows system files. Final step. Once everything is complete, restart your computer and check if the brightness controls are working again. Your brightness slider and brightness controls should now work properly in Windows 11.